We are talking of now brain problems, and autism is really very complicated problem. People, they believe there is no cure because it's only homeopathy which works much better, and it's not really much known to the parents. And homeopathy, we have seen children who are really, they come to us, they were just telling us that it's only they were on physiotherapy or maybe they were on diet system.
Right. Yes.
And diet system. Now, Jimmy, diet alone, food alone cannot cure the problems. Because there are, okay, even homeopathy, it's very detailed study. Okay, in India, bachelor's degree, you have to study 5.5 years in India.
Qualify as a homeopathic doctor.
And then the MD. MD you have studied again 3 years. It's widely known, I mean, in India and other countries as well. But we are trying here as well, if people can understand, and they start coming to get more benefit.
Absolutely.
About autism.
How do you treat that?
If it is only diet, we know it cannot work. Because when we stop giving children milk, you don't give children wheat, or you don't want to give children, we need all different type of meals, all seasonal fruits. We cannot stop giving them, don't take this, don't take that.
So it's diet and homeopathic medicine?
Not really, we don't do diet. We tell parents, just give them whatever you cook at your home, give them our medicine, because we want to see what food. Everybody has got different reactions to certain foods. We want to know which food reacts.
Food is reacting.
It brings hyperactivity in autistic child. So we can cure that food allergy so that they don't react and they become normal. And you know, when we don't give them those different type of foods, we stop them giving milk or other products, definitely they'll develop a certain type of deficiency in their system.
I mean, we've seen situations where parents either chain their children or lock them in houses, you know, because, you know, they say they've gone to different types of doctors, nothing seems to be working.
You know,
the hyperactivity is intense.
And
the solution you're saying is homeopathic medicine. Is a simple.
True. That is true. It is true, because we have been seeing those children chained or maybe locked in the houses. We hear about it. The reason is only one, because when the parents are told, they read in newspapers, when they watch on TVs, internet, they are told that there is no cure for autism, there is no cure for these type of conditions. Parents, they lose their hopes, you know, and they end up chaining those children.
So you're saying homeopathic medicine in terms of autism or mental disorder, or even cerebral palsy.
That's what I'm saying.
Is 100% cure? As in,
it is 100%. I'll say.
Are there statistics to show that, you know, you've had, you know, measurable success in as far as that is concerned?
Yeah, true. Because we have seen children who are not really. I told you that about autistic children, restless children, screaming, making a lot of noise. And in 6 months or 1 year of period, they can become really much better. And we know how parents are happy when they have been giving their children homeopathic medicine. Parents are really very happy because the results are very good. They see the improvement is there. They continue the treatment.
Absolutely. I like your approach in terms of treatment of certain diseases. You tend to treat the entire body rather than a specific part of the body that many people may think is always affected.
That is.
Why is that?
Let me add another word to it: specialist doctors. Okay, you know, in homeopathy we don't have specialist doctors because it's in homeopathy we believe we know it's one body. One body is one unit.
True.
And the whole unit.
But if I have a headache, you don't want to treat my entire body. I mean, just go straight to the head.
The thing is, definitely, it's not question of headache and you end up taking a painkiller and you continue, and you know there are those people, they take painkillers every day and still the cure is not done.
True,
because you are not treating the root cause. to know the root cause, it's not only the headache. We have to see what is the cause. Is it any stomach problem, or is it related to environment, maybe a sunny hot day, or other people, they get a headache in cold weather.
That's true.
Yeah, so we have to take the whole history from head to toes. Then we select the medicine, and that medicine, one substance, it's classical homeopathy, and that substance has to treat the whole system. We change the medicine according to the improvement we see in the patient after taking the first remedy.
Absolutely.
We select second remedy, but it is all to do with the whole system.
I hear you talking about first remedy, second remedy. How long until you, as a doctor, will say, yes, then I think this gentleman or this person has been is fully cured? How long, or does it vary with different diseases?
It is always, it depends on how deep-seated problem somebody is having. If the problems are really very complicated and very chronic, it might take longer time than the problem which has occurred recently. So it's always how complicated the problem is, since how long it has been there, and what other parts of the body, the whole body, how it has affected.
Side effects.
No side effects for the homeopathic medicines. We don't have any side effects of homeopathic. No side effects, because the medicines are not given in very big quantity, number one, and then it's not mixture of so many things. And you know, when parents, some patients, they come to us, they have been taking 10, 20 tablets a day, in a day, or even at one time. And when they come to homeopathy, they get surprised that such small medicines.
Yeah, I don't know if you can, Dennis can zoom into this. This is really tiny.
They are very tiny, and
this is really tiny. Can you get this, Dennis? It's can you get it? Oh, do you have the ones in the bag? I think
not in that way. I think that will be the best thing if you can.
Dennis will try and
try and focus on it.
Closer to me. All right, there you are. Okay. Sorry, you were saying.
No so homeopathic medicines, they have got no side effect because they are very small in size.
Right.
And they are prepared in big pharmacies. We don't prepare them here.
Right.
They are prepared in big pharmacies, and according to the pharmacopoeia of homeopathic system, and it is very effective, very safe at any age, even from infants to old people. We treat all those type of conditions.
Can I ask this, doctor, in terms of let's go back to the sick child. Is it one type of medicine for one type of disease per child, or do you mix different types of medicines depending on the condition, as you've seen in conventional medicine? Or
in homeopathic system of medicine, we have got more than 3,000 medicines tested on human beings.
Right.
Our medicines are not tested on rats and animals. They're tested on human beings, so exactly we know which medicine can work on somebody's angers, somebody's emotions, somebody's irritable behavior,
yes.
somebody's stubborn behavior. So children with hyperactivity, it's only you can know when the medicines are tested on human beings. You cannot know emotions when the medicines are tested